Break of the day, we have some 23 Bowman Chrome for our boy, our friend here, Schaftastic. Here we go, a little 23 Bowman Chrome. Let's do it. Let's get into it. There, that, bada bing, bada boom. Good luck. Anyone you're looking for specifically? All right. Matt McLean Rook. Have a Michael Bush. Save that for a second. Duno Salas. How about that? How about an Ethan Salas Bowman first? Right on cue. Right on cue there. Ethan Salas. All right. Right on cue there. Brandon Maia first. We have Michael Bush rookie. And we have a Victor Izturis auto there. That is going to be number... That is numbered to 299. 299 on the Victor Izturis auto. All right, pack number 2. Tanner Bebe, Joey Ortiz. We have a teal coming up. I'll save that for a second. Lazaro Montes, Emmanuel Bonilla. And in the teal, we have Drew Gilbert. That is to 125. Drew Gilbert to 125. Manuel Valdez Rook. Zach Nato. Okay, we have a Felon Celestin. Jason Churio. And we have an iconic rookie, Adley Rutschman. We take that. Take an Adley, baby. Taj Bradley Rook. Samuel Munoz, Drew Gilbert, and Prospect Process Spencer Jones. There we go. A little Prospect Process Spencer Jones. Joey Weimer. Grayson Rodriguez. Save that. Jace Young. And Jordan Lawler for the D-backs. Cactus. If only Pete was here to see this. Little cactus there. Jordan Lawler for the Arizona Fall League. Nice. We take that. Anthony Volpe there. Why does it look a little different? Is that like numbered or anything? No. Just looks a little different to me. Anthony Volpe Rook. We have Francisco Alvarez Rook on the iconic. We have some color here. Jordan Lawler. We have Colson Montgomery. And we have a Brady House on the pink. That is to 199. Pretty good first box, if I do say so myself. Francisco Alvarez Rook. Anthony Volpe Rook. Volpe can get a little toppy as well. All right, box number 2. Not a bad first box. We can still do better, though. As I always say, we've done good, but we can always do better. All right, I'm not doing that right now. Those there. Get into this second box. Kareem. Bryce Terang. C.J. Abrams. Refractor Jet Williams. How about it came to the league, Drew Jones refractor there. We take that. Nice Drew Jones card there. How about a Jordan Walker Rook? We take that too. Jordan Walker Rook, pretty good. Take. Oscar Colas. I think we have our auto here. We're going to sweat our auto. We'll sweat our auto till the end. Luis Torres, Matt Parada. We'll sweat that auto. How about an iconic Bobby Witt Jr. there? A little iconic Bobby Witt. And a William Bergolla there. Like the Invicta, I believe that is called. William Bergolla in the Invicta. Vladdy. Corey Seager. We have a purple here. Brady House. Alright. Who is our purple? We have a Dodger. Bowman first. How about Jesus Galiz? That is to 250. Josh Young Rook. We take that. That's a good one to get. Josh Young Rook. That is a good one to get. He should be back here soon. Got Mad Max. James Wood. Elijah Green. And we have Mason Wynn. Another good one to get there on the Arizona Fall League. One pack left, and then we have our auto. Gross. Nope. Nope. We're just gonna move right past that person. We're moving right past that. Gross. Corbin Carroll Rook. There we go. Luis Angel Acuna, Anthony Gutierrez, Corbin Carroll Rook on the iconic, and we have a Ray Junior Caminero. Let's go. Nice Junior Caminero. It's unnumbered. We still take that. Nice Junior Caminero there. As well as the Corbin Carroll iconic rookie. This is pretty good. This is a pretty good box. Alright. Let's get a good auto here. Got a Pirate first. Is that... Oh, Jun Seok Shim. Jun Seok Shim there is our auto. Got me messed up for a second. I didn't think this was the right year for his first auto, but I could have been wrong. Jun Seok Shim is our auto there to end it. Yeah. Other than that, I mean, this is a very good break for you. Let me finish sleeving some stuff up here for you, and then we'll show off the hits. Jun Seok Shim, we have a Corbin Carroll, iconic rookie, Junior Caminero, Mason Wynn, Josh Young Rook, Jordan Walker Rook. It came to the league, Drew Jones, Anthony Volpe Rook, Adley Rushman, iconic Rook. We have a Victor Turris auto and an Ethan Salas first. It's a pretty good break for you there. Schaftastic, thank you for the order. It's always appreciated.